I found 8 new data entry jobs, and I will show you the websites where to find them. You can apply from India, the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. These companies offer a variety of data entry opportunities that fit your skills and preferences. You can start data entry work from home jobs and get paid. The first one on the list is a platform with remote and flexible online work opportunities, and that is going to be Jobgether. If you didn't know, data entry work is a process of entering information with the precision of an archer. It's a job that requires concentration with effective data verification. And Jobgether is a remote company that offers many interesting career positions, including data entry. Next one on the list is a career work, where you can apply for work from home remote gigs. That is going to be remote.io. There are lots of industries with multiple categories. Now you type in data entry and they have around 26,000 jobs available on the platform. When it comes to earnings, you can make from $18 to $25 per hour. And one of the main pros, you have options to work freelance and part-time. The next on the list allows you to find data entry jobs worldwide. And that is going to be Jubal. It operates in 67 countries, the career search engine that collects postings from international companies and websites. Pick your geographic location, type in data entry, and apply for desired position from the list. When doing data entry work from home in the US, for example, they pay $55 per hour. Next one on the list is ideal for people living in India. Naukri is a website that connects job seekers with employers. You can find lots of interesting job offers in different fields and industries. Data entry, IT, finance, marketing. After the registration on this website, I do recommend you to create your profile. Fill in your education, work experience, skills, and upload your resume. The latter allows you to increase the visibility on the platform. One of the main pros of this website is you don't need to waste your time searching for a job. You create job alerts and you'll be notified by the site system when the new jobs will be released. The next platform provides amazing career opportunities for people living in the United Kingdom. Read.co is a platform with lots of jobs from various sectors, including healthcare, education, IT, and of course data entry. You can find jobs online by keyword, location, salary, and contract type. To succeed and land more jobs, I do recommend you to use CV Builder. After creating the professional resume, the employers will be able to find you much faster. To improve your chances of getting hired, take a look at the online courses that this site offers. In this way, you are increasing your chances of finding the relevant positions. The freelancers living in Australia, I didn't forget about you. I have also found the data entry jobs that you can do from home. Seek.com is an online marketplace where you can apply for a variety of jobs. They offer you contract, part, and full-time employment. Despite this platform is primarily focused on people living in Australia and New Zealand, it is also geared toward freelancers living in Latin America and South Asia. With its user-friendly interface, Seek.com offers you AI-driven job recommendations and job market trends. Next one on the list, also ideal for freelancers living in India. Quicker allows you to find data entry jobs based on your location, salary, job type, and other criteria. Using this website, it's much easier to find a job. The advanced filters and site systems select candidates and match them with their careers, based on their qualifications and experience. Job alerts, career advice, and tips on how to write the resume are the additional services which you can find on this platform. The next on the list is the National Career Service, ideal for freelancers from India. This one is really good. It connects job seekers with employers. Beside the data entry jobs which you can find here, this service provides you with useful information, including trends and different job roles. You create profile, upload your resume, and you can also track job application process. One of the best platforms for employment and career-related services in India. Go and watch this video. A few more websites where you can find work from home jobs online. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for today's topic, and stay tuned. I'll be publishing more videos dedicated to money-making opportunities soon.